The tech world is abuzz with the latest leaks and rumors surrounding Apple's iPhone 17 lineup, and for good reason. The iPhone 17 Pro Max promises to deliver game-changing upgrades that could redefine the flagship smartphone experience. In this article, we'll take a deep dive into the exciting features and upgrades, from display advancements to next-gen camera tech, all through the lens of technology review. Let's get into it. 120Hz display across all models. No more compromises. One of the most exciting confirmations for the iPhone 17 lineup is Apple's decision to equip all models with 120Hz LTPO OLED displays. That's right. The days of budget models stuck with 60Hz panels are over. Whether you opt for the iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Plus, you'll enjoy silky smooth visuals and superior responsiveness, making this a win for all users. This move addresses one of the most consistent complaints from Apple fans. In prior iterations, only the Pro models were blessed with high refresh rate displays, leaving entry-level buyers feeling shortchanged. With this shift, Apple is leveling the playing field, ensuring a more cohesive experience across the lineup. Thermal performance. Vapor chamber technology. The iPhone 17 series is set to benefit from a significant thermal upgrade, featuring vapor chamber cooling technology. This system is already a staple in premium Android devices, and its introduction to the iPhone lineup is a welcome change. So, what does this mean for you? Vapor chambers work by distributing heat evenly across the phone's internal components, reducing the risk of thermal throttling and ensuring consistent performance during extended gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. With Apple's A-series chips already leading in performance, this enhancement will push the limits even further, offering sustained power when you need it most. Camera overhaul. Pro models shine bright. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to feature an impressive camera setup that includes 48MP Fusion primary camera, crisp and detailed shots in any lighting condition, 48MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscapes and group photos, 48MP tetraprism zoom lens, advanced zoom capabilities for capturing distant subjects with precision, 24MP selfie camera, double the resolution of its predecessor for sharper selfies. These upgrades are expected to deliver a professional-level photography experience, ideal for content creators and enthusiasts alike. However, it's important to note that these features are exclusive to the Pro models, with the standard iPhone 17 and 17 Plus sticking to dual-camera setups. Design speculations. The camera bar debate. Leaked images suggest that the iPhone 17 could introduce a new design element, a vertical camera bar. While some enthusiasts are excited about this potential change, others remain skeptical. Apple has been known for its sleek and minimalist designs, and the vertical alignment might feel out of place for longtime fans. Adding to the intrigue is the possibility of spatial video support. To achieve this, Apple might stick with a lens arrangement that mimics the human eye. The debate continues, but one thing's certain: Apple's design choices always spark conversation. Breaking down the lineup, specs, and pricing. iPhone 17. Display: 6.1-inch Super Retina LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Resolution: 1179 by 2556 pixels. Processor: A19 Bionic chip. Cameras: 48MP primary plus 48MP ultra-wide, 24MP front camera. Battery: 3,600 mAh, 45W fast charging. OS: iOS 19. Starting price: $850. iPhone 17 Plus. Display: 6.7-inch Super Retina LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Resolution: 1290 by 2796 pixels. Processor: A19 Bionic chip. Cameras: 48MP primary plus 48MP ultra-wide, 24MP front camera. Battery: 4,700 mAh, 45W fast charging. OS: iOS 19. Starting price: $950. iPhone 17 Pro. Display: 6.3-inch LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Resolution: 1206 by 2622 pixels. Processor, A19 Pro chip, 2 nanometers. Cameras, 48MP primary, ultra-wide, tetraprism zoom, LiDAR scanner, 24MP front camera. Battery, 3,600 mAh, 50W fast charging. OS, iOS 19. Starting price, $1,050. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Display, 6.9-inch Altvio OLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Resolution, 1320 by 2868 pixels. Processor, A19 Pro chip, 2 nanometers. Cameras, 48MP primary, ultra-wide, tetraprism zoom, LiDAR scanner, 24MP front camera. Battery, 4,700 mAh, 50W fast charging. OS, iOS 19. Starting price, $1,250. The verdict. Should you wait for the iPhone 17? The iPhone 17 lineup brings meaningful upgrades across the board, from display improvements to advanced thermal management and cutting-edge camera features. For those with older iPhones, the iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a compelling upgrade. However, if you already own an iPhone 16, the decision to upgrade will likely come down to personal preferences and specific needs. As always, Apple's ecosystem, seamless integration, and top-tier build quality continue to set its devices apart. Whether you're a power user or someone entering the Apple ecosystem for the first time, the iPhone 17 lineup has something for everyone. Final thoughts. Stay tuned for more. The iPhone 17 series is still months away from its official launch, but the leaks and rumors are enough to get us excited. Technology Review will keep you updated on all the latest developments, so be sure to subscribe and follow us for more in-depth analysis and hands-on reviews.